The new Expert 2 placement system from PowerTech is the ideal solution for cost-effective production of prototypes and small series. It is mostly used in SMEs for training at colleges and universities and to create development prototypes. It is also used as support for production lines for almost all branches of industry. An innovative new feature is the adjustable high-resolution touchscreen monitor, which allows direct control of all functions. Due to the monitor's adjustable position, the operator has a perfect overview of all parameters. The Expert 2 is a self-sufficient system. No additional PC is required. For manual assembly on unprinted circuit boards, the solder paste can be applied exactly with the optional dispenser. The quantity is repeatable via the precisely adjustable time pressure setting. The dispensing action is triggered by a Footswitch or by pressing the dispensing needle. Dispensing even very small solder paste drops is made even easier by a standard camera with high magnification. A further improvement is the drip recovery, which allows for optimal flow control. All components required for assembly are kept ready for use in the various feeding units. These units can be feeder cassettes, roller feeders, residual belt feeders, trays, or a rotary table for bulk material. The rotary table is also available with optional motor control. The printed circuit board is simply inserted and manually fitted accordingly. This semi-automatic assembly can be tested with the pre-installed software for up to 12 positions and, if required, activated by a license key. For semi-automatic assembly, board files based on different CAD data can be conveniently imported. The PCB is displayed as an image on the monitor. All necessary setup information such as feeder position, turntable placement, as well as component definitions are also provided by the software supplied. After setting the reference points of the printed circuit board, the software-assisted placement process can be started. The component pickup and placement positions are displayed both visually on the monitor and acoustically. This ensures faster and, above all, error-free placement. After removing the last component of a series, the rotary table automatically moves to the next pickup position. Depending on the programming, the setup feeding configurations are processed. For complex printed circuit boards, this is worthwhile, even for batch sizes as small as 1. For components whose connections are visible from above and where pitch distances are small, use of the optional glass prism is recommended. The component can thus be viewed parallax-free from above and precisely aligned. The LED lighting integrated in the prism also makes this work easier. To achieve even higher precision in the placement process, or when placing components with connections on the underside, we recommend the Microplacer. In addition to BGAs, it is also ideal for placement of ICs, QFNs, MLFs, CSPs, and LGAs. The system works with a beam splitter that optically overlays the top side of the assembly and the bottom side of the component in the live image. Pads and pins are aligned, and then the component is precisely placed. If required, an external keyboard and mouse can be connected via USB. An HDMI connection for an external monitor is also available. A USB port integrated on the front panel allows data to be conveniently transferred via a stick. The system comes with a Footswitch as standard. This allows you to operate the Expert, the Microplacer, and the Dispenser. The switch is activated for each selected function. Another highlight of the system is the air-cushioned placement head, which compensates for different weights, such as a solder paste cartridge. The dimmable and shadow-free lighting always ensures optimum lighting conditions in the work area. The extremely smooth running pantograph arm enables effortless work, even for long periods. If you would like to optimize your assembly tasks, we look forward to your call